and the new album will be out. Hackneyed Diamonds will be out the 20th of October. That.
Test. This is a statewide required monthly test of the emergency alert system originating from the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency, Harrisburg. This is only a test.
Okay. They interrupted me. They interrupted my broadcast to do that test. That was supposed to run earlier, I guess, and if you don't run them, they just burst through at any time. Fortunately, the songs had ended. But then, as I was about to go into Pierre's planner, it interrupted me with that charming and melodic voice and those wonderful, relaxing sounds. Let's tell you about the day